Sustainable Coastlines is all about enabling people to look after our waterways and coastlines. We care about beautiful beaches, healthy waters and inspired people. So first tip, get yourself a water filter. When you're traveling, it's really hard often to find water that you can drink. Depending on where you're going, sometimes you can't drink the water out of taps. That means if you don't have one of these, you've got to buy water in plastic bottles every day. Single-use plastic bottles that often can't be managed where we're traveling. So we create a lot of waste. Second tip, bring your own cutlery when you're traveling. Every flight you go on, every bus you take, every hotel you end up on, you want to reduce your use of single-use plastic cutlery. Often we see these things happening. Make sure that it's not metal because you won't get through security, but get yourself a good set of bamboo cutlery, maybe a stainless steel straw, some chopsticks, knife, fork, spoon, and you're good to go, reducing your use of single-use plastics while you're traveling. So our third tip, and I think this is the most important one, get outdoors and connect with that local place, connect with that local environment. Get out and explore nature. You know, there's no stronger way that we can protect the places that we love than just to engage with those local places.